Hi, how are you today? I'm good, thanks. And you? I'm just a little tired from my classes. Oh, what are you studying? I'm studying English. It's my first semester at the university. That's great. I'm studying business. It's my second year. Nice. Do you like your classes? Yes, I do. Some are difficult, but mostly fun. What about you? I like my English classes too. My teachers are very nice. That's good to hear. Are you taking the bus today? Yes, I am. The bus stop is near here. Me too. What number bus do you take? I take number 10. It goes to the university. Oh, me too. What a coincidence. Yes, it is. Do you always take the bus? Usually. Sometimes my friend drives me. That's convenient. I don't have a car. It's okay. The bus is not too expensive. True. Do you live near the university? No, I live downtown. It takes about 30 minutes by bus. That's not too long. I live closer, maybe 15 minutes. Lucky you. So, do you have any plans for the weekend? I need to go grocery shopping. I don't have much food at home. Oh, I need to go shopping too. Maybe we can go together? That sounds like a good idea. What day are you planning to go? Saturday morning, perhaps? Saturday morning works for me. Which supermarket do you like? There's a good one called Fresh Foods near my apartment. I know that one. They have good prices. Yes, they do. And they have a lot of fresh fruit and vegetables. Perfect. I need to buy some apples and bananas. Me too. And maybe some milk and bread. Okay, so Saturday morning at Fresh Foods. What time? Let's say 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. is good. I'll meet you there. Great. See you then. See you. Excuse me, do you know when the next bus is coming? I think it's due in about 5 minutes. Oh, thank you. I'm running a little late. No problem. I'm waiting for the number 10 too. Me too. Is this your usual stop? Yes, it is. I take this bus every day to work. Oh, you work near the university? Yes, I work at the library. That's nice. I go to the university. Are you a student? Yes, I am. I'm studying computer science. That's interesting. My daughter is studying computer science too. Really? That's a popular major? Yes, it is. She likes it a lot. Here comes the bus. Finally? After you. Thank you. Good morning. Good morning. 2 tickets, please. Here you go. Thank you. Do you know if this bus stops near Main Street? Yes, it does. It's about 3 stops from here. Thank you. You're welcome. So, what do you do at the library? I help people find books and use the computers. It's quiet work. That sounds peaceful. I like quiet places. Me too. Especially when I'm studying. Are you going to the university now? Yes, I have a class at 9:30. It's a bit early for me. I understand. My classes start at 10 o'clock. That's a better time. Do you have a long commute? Not too long, maybe 20 minutes. That's good. Excuse me, where is the nearest clinic? The nearest clinic is on Elm Street. It's about a 10-minute walk from here. Elm Street? Is it far from here? No, not very far. You go straight down this road, then turn left at the traffic lights. The clinic will be on your right. Straight down, then left at the lights on the right. Got it. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Is everything okay? You look a little worried. Oh, I'm fine. I just need to pick up some medicine for my mother. Oh, I see. I hope she's feeling better soon. Thank you. I hope so too. Do you know if they have appointments? Yes, they do. But you can also just walk in. It might be busy though. Okay, I'll just go in. I don't have an appointment. All right. Good luck. Thanks again. You're welcome. Excuse me, I need to pick up a prescription. Okay, what is your name, please? It's Maria Garcia. Thank you, Ms. Garcia. Let me check. Yes, we have it here. Great. Is there anything I need to do? Just sign here, please. Okay. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with today? No, that's all. Thank you. Have a good day. You too. Bye. Bye. Hi. How was your day? It was good, thanks. I went to the supermarket this morning. Oh, me too. Did you go to Fresh Foods? Yes, I did. I saw you there. Oh, really? I didn't see you. What were you doing? I was in the produce section looking for tomatoes. I was there too. I bought some apples. They have good apples there. Yes, they do. Did you buy anything else? A few things. Milk, bread, and then some chicken. I bought some vegetables and pasta. Did you find everything you needed? Yes, I did. It wasn't too crowded, which was nice. That's good. I hate crowded supermarkets. Me too. It makes shopping stressful. So, how was your class today? It was okay. We had a test. Oh no. How did it go? I think it went well. I studied a lot. That's good. I have a test tomorrow. Oh, what subject? History. It's very difficult. I can imagine. Lots of dates and names. Exactly. I'm still studying tonight.